Hi YouTubers, JDCap26 here, just do the tips, repairs, and hobbies, and we've got a Leatherman here. This Leatherman is a PST, I believe, and it's one of the original Leatherman. And back then it was a big deal when it came out. It was like the Swiss Army knife of the USA, made by somebody in the USA. And this knife, it's got a story behind it. For me, at least, I keep misplacing this multi-tool, and I put it in a fishing box once, and I forgot it was in the fishing box. I left it in my car. I sold my car, and I had it in a bag that I transferred my ready bag to my new car. And I says in a new car, and just 3 days ago I found this multi-tool, and I was like, oh no, I was looking for it and looking for it because we had moved, and I just don't like things out of place and misplacing things. So it's a little tool. I mean, look at how nice and the condition of it is. It's still in a pretty good condition. Of course, I wore it at one time. You can see I did wear it at one time and used it. This was back in 1978. I bought this, and it's in very good condition. I'm not planning on selling it. It's permanently in my collection. But I like the sheath. It's very smooth. But a lot of these sheaths, they deteriorated. But it's got a lot of nice tools to it. I want to show you that ratchet option again. So we're gonna pull out a tool here, and they just click in place. They don't have a locking mechanism, so they do move like that, They'll move. So if you get one of these ratchet balls, I'm sure you can still find them. Pull this part off the ball. Keep this in your pocket. You can stick it on the screwdriver like that. See? And then you take the bit. The bit is hexagon shaped, okay? So you fit it in the tool like that. And just wedge it in like that. Okay? And you've got a ratcheting screwdriver to untighten and tighten things. And then this way is tightening. And then you just switch the ball around. And I showed this on the other one, and you switch the ball around and put the bit on there, and you can go the other way. I wanted to show you that. All you have to do is keep this part and two bits in your pocket with your tool, and you're all set. This has got the ball nib right here, so you could actually grind that off so it'll fit the ball better. It'll fit in there better because that's what's stopping it right now. But it fits on this part perfectly. And you've got a tool that ratchets. If you want to go spend $100, I'm looking at the adapter for the super tool, and that's a $100 item. And I don't think I'm going to get that. I don't know. I sent an email out to the company. They never responded, so they don't get my business. They still have the adapter you can find online. It's like they want $200 for the adapter for the super tool. You don't want to spend that kind of money on an adapter for a super tool. But it's really smooth. These open really smooth. I noticed on the newer ones, the TTIs and the other ones, they don't open as smooth as this does. With the other tools. But yeah, I'm a multi-tool fan, and I like them a lot. I found this in the car too. This is this plugs into your cigarette lighter, and it actually swivels like so. And you can run power off of it. Not too much power you can draw from this because it's only a cigarette lighter. It maybe do a dust buster maybe that with a plug-in line. And it's got two USBs here. So I wanted to show you that. I don't know if you can still get this. This is made by Energizer, actually. I don't know if you can still get that. And I also found my my mag light, a big one, and it was in the bag, and I took it out because there's already another mag light in the car that we use in the glove compartment. So I want to take this out, take the batteries out, and see if the inside is still okay. Because sometimes the batteries start going, they start leaking inside. Then you have to go in there and you have to hone it out, the inside of the mag light, and get all the crap out of it. So yeah, this is very smooth, very nice, very well made. And these go in a certain way, as everybody knows. Rivets this part down, the tapered side down, in like that. The other way it won't fit. So I hope you're having a good weekend, and I hope you're having fun out there and staying safe. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please rate and subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you like the video. If you don't, well, I'm sorry. Any questions? Let me know. Have a great day. Bye.